the vale, with walls of granite, steep and high, invite the fearless foot to scale the stairway toward the sky.
Perseverance is strength in every sphere of endeavor. People who continue to make steady efforts win out in the end. When you hit a wall, challenge yourself with a dauntless spirit.
Patience is a virtue. Patience gives us the ability to convince. If you are a patient person, then no problem can shiver you.
A very pleasant good morning to everyone present here. I, Kritika, welcome you all to this joyous assembly on behalf of Class 4, G, H, and I on the topic Patience and Perseverance. 1 minute of patience, 10 years of peace. With love and patience, nothing is impossible. Patience and perseverance have a magical effect before which difficulties disappear and obstacles vanish.
Very well said, my dear friend. Patience is the best remedy for every trouble. Patience and perseverance make an unbeatable combination for success.
Prayers are what helps us in maintaining patience. Morning prayer is important as it makes us feel fresh, energetic, and spiritual. Prayers have a power of creating a pious atmosphere that helps instill certain values such as humility and discipline. So let's join our hands, close our eyes, and begin this wonderful day by being thankful to God.
We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We walk hand in hand, we walk hand in hand, we walk hand in hand someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday. We shall overcome someday.
So truly said Vian, praise do create a pious atmosphere. Rejoice in hope, be patient in tribulation, be constant in prayer.
News inform us about the latest developments that are taking place in the world. Now, our GOENKA reporters will take us through the happenings around the globe.
Morning everyone, here is the national news. Amar Jawan Jyoti merged with National War Memorial Flame. No one can stop a nation whose youth works with the spirit of nation first. PM Modi said at NCC rally. Made in India COVID vaccines playing important role in making world pandemic free. President COVID. Budget session of Parliament began on Monday.
A very good morning, everyone. Here is the international news. Italy's President, 80-year-old Sergio Mattarella, recruits to stay on the second term. Bali to reopen the vaccinated travelers from all countries from February 4th. UK expands COVID vaccines to 5 to 11-year-old kids. Japan starts massive inoculation drive for COVID-19 booster amid surge.
Hello everyone, I am Kushagra Jain, today's sports news anchor. So let's start with the first national sports news from badminton. Two-time Olympic medalist PV Sindhu wins Sayyid Modi International Badminton title in Lucknow. She defeated Malvika Bansal in 2 matches. In the second news is from cricket. India Under-19 World Cup team enters semi-final by defeating Sri Lanka. In semi-final, they will play against Australia. Now some international sports news. In lawn tennis, Rafael Nadal wins Australia Open and it is his 21st Grand Slam title. He defeated Daniel Medvedev too. The second international sports news is from football. Premier Football League Liverpool signed Luis Diaz till 2027. It is subject to work permit and international clearance. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Here's the school news. The Dome 2 Cycle 2 house competitions were introduced on 19 January along with the skill enhancement session on 2nd February. The semi-final round will be conducted on 9th February followed by the final round on 16th February. The Goenkans are all geared up enthusiastically for the Eco-Ethics, our commitment to sustainability presentation in the upcoming weeks of February. The 100-day reading campaign is being observed in our school by conducting weekly activities in classes for creating a joyful reading experience. The intra-class Goenkan Tech Fusion competition was launched for the children to showcase their IT skills. At the end, I feel delighted to share that our Goenkans are bringing laurels to our school by winning various inter-school competitions. Thank you.
Thank you, friends, for the news update. If you kickstart your day with a beautiful and positive thought, it gives you encouragement and inspiration to step forward positively in your life. These inspirational thoughts are great for self reflection. Now, I invite Serene and Ria for the thought of the day in English and in Hindi.
Patience is the calm acceptance that things can happen in a different order than the one in your mind. Thank you.
आज का सुविचार दो चीजें आपको परिभाषित करती है। जब आपके पास कुछ भी नहीं है तब आपका धैर्य, और जब आपके पास सब कुछ है तब आपका रवैया। धैर्य और परिश्रम से हम वो सब प्राप्त कर सकते हैं जो शक्ति और शीघ्रता से कभी नहीं प्राप्त कर सकते। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, friends. Indeed, these good and inspiring thoughts will encourage and motivate us throughout the day.
We have to agree, my friends, that patience is the companion of wisdom. Patience is like a plant which produces fruits but takes time.
Absolutely. So let's get inspired from the poem being recited by our friends.
We have not wings, we cannot soar, but we have feet to scale and climb. By slow decrees, by more and more, the cloudy summits of our time. The mighty pyramids of stone that wedge like leave the desert, ever nearer seen and better known are but gigantic flights of stairs.
Distant mountains that appear, the solid bastions of the skies, across my pathways that appear. As we go higher, levels rise.
The heights by great men reached and kept, cannot attained by sudden flight, but they, while their companions slept, were trolling upward in the night.
Wow, what a motivational poem to delve deep into our topic.
The more you are patient, the more you are tolerant of others, which earns you respect from them. It must be borne in mind that there is no other shortcut to success. But success is achieved through discipline, hard work, and success. Obstacles come your way, and you will have to face challenges with perseverance and patience.
Indeed, my friend, there's no shortcut to success. Dear buddies, the tiny ant is an example of determination and hard work. Despite its size, the ant is a constant reminder that nothing will come easy in life without diligence and willpower. An ant teaches us that all good things require patience and effort.
I agree with you. Nothing in the universe can stop you from reaching your goals if you have perceived, rightly said, that the can't be doners grumble and hamper, opposing doubt, while the daring man who says it can proceeds to work it out. Coming up next are our friends who are showcasing a role play. Oh, we lost. I saw that, Shiny. But why didn't you play to win? You didn't play at all.
What was the point, Grandpa? We needed so many runs.
Only 19 runs. You could have at least tried.
That was impossible, Dadu. We had already lost. Playing well in the last over could not have helped.
But you gave up. That's wrong. You remind me of those ants.
Ants, Grandpa?
Yes. Would you like to hear the story?
Yes! Story time!
Long ago, there lived a colony of ants on the anthill. It was a huge colony and hundreds of ants lived together in happiness. They worked together and helped each other. Thus, their colony grew and grew. But suddenly, one day, it rained very heavily. The rainwater entered into the tunnels of anthill.
Oh no! We all are going to drown. There is water everywhere.
My baby! My baby! Johnny, why are you going out? Don't go out. We all have to stay together. It's raining heavily outside.
Mom, I think we should all go out, else we will drown.
Anyways, we are not going to survive. There is water everywhere.
How can we quit without trying? Johnny climbed through the tunnel and came out of the hole with lots of difficulty. He fell umpteen number of times, but kept trying. He was thinking to find the way to escape. He had an idea. Suddenly he sighted a big flat leaf, climbed on it way and swam his way to safety. If only my friends would have not given up, they would have been with me today.
So you see, giving up can never help anybody. You should carry on till the last moment.
Now I understand, Grandpa. I am going to win tomorrow's match. You just watch. Ha 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 ha.
Adopt the pace from nature. Her secret is patience. Practice the art of patience. Nature never acts in haste. What an inspirational story! This is definitely going to motivate us.
One of our best teachers for learning patience is Mother Earth. She teaches us to allow time for things to unfold. For example, the birth of a baby, the growth of the harvest, trees growing in spurts, moon and sun takes time to shine, the flower takes time to bloom, etc.
Let's now call some of our friends to share a few tips on being patient.
Practice keeping calm.
A. All is well, all is well.
Time heals almost everything.
I. It is just a phase.
Everything happened at the right time and no need to rush.
Care about the present.
Endurance is the destiny.
Thank you, friends. Trial and challenges that are sprinkled through life's journey teach us patience. Now we invite our friends to sing a beautiful song.
रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार के कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बहार के रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार के कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बहार के ओ राही 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 सूरज देख रुक गया है, तेरे आगे झुक गया है। सूरज देख रुक गया है, तेरे आगे झुक गया है। जब कभी ऐसे कोई मस्ताना निकले है अपनी धुन में दीवाना, शाम सुहानी बन जाते हैं बिन इंतजार के। ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही ओ राही।
Wow, you made us sway to the music. It seems we've entered a completely different world. Let's carry forward this feeling of rejoice and tranquility to a foot tapping performance.
You say you want it right now, but you can't have it right now. You gotta wait for it, wait for it. Yeah, it's gonna be worth it. B-A-T-I-E-N-C-E. You gotta wait for 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 it. Hey, hey, what you want today? Maybe a brand new toy or a video game. I know you want it right now, right here today, but it may not be the right time. So let patience lead you on, cause sometimes you gotta wait for what you really want. Now don't you go forget the words to this song. Now everybody sing! B-A-T-I-E-N-C-E. You gotta wait for it. 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 What do you do when you're at the fair and you see your favorite ride sitting right over there? Go to the ride just to have a good time, and you see a big long waiting line. Get in line, wait your turn. Here is something you can learn. Patience helps us get along. So everybody sing the patience song. B-A-T-I-E-N-C-E. You gotta wait for it. 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 Want it right now, but you can't have it right now. You gotta wait for it, wait for it. You say you want it right now, but you can't have it right now. You gotta wait for it, wait for it. Yeah, it's gonna be worth it. B-A-T-I-E-N-C-E. You gotta wait for 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 it. Yeah, it's gonna be worth it.
I also felt like dancing along with that. Now I would take this opportunity to invite our headmistress, Mrs. Shristi Bajaj, to express her thoughts. She has always encouraged us to move on with soaring spirits, taught us to be resilient and be a go-getter despite all odds. Her poise and admirable foresight pursued us to accomplish the assembly. Over to our dear headmistress, Shristi ma'am.
A very good morning, dear students, parents, and teachers. Thank you so much, my dear students of grade 4. You have done a tremendous job. We are indeed very, very proud of you. Especially the story of the ant who did not give up was truly inspirational. So it is rightly said that struggling against great difficulty enables us to develop ourselves tremendously. It can be a source of positive growth and dynamic progress. So the important thing is that we continue to hold on to our convictions and continue to be authentic. Patience, on one hand, is essential to daily life and is the key to a happy life. So we have to wait calmly in the face of adversity. So wherever there is adversity, we have the opportunity to practice patience. And perseverance can be summed up to mean that we are all committed to our goals and it enhances the value of those goals for us. and intensifies our motivational level, which is again a key to a successful life, I would say. So, if you are persevering long enough and you have a growth mindset, it is actually a great way to increase the perseverance and motivation. So, just continue to strive and try and be better than what you were yesterday. Remember, it's not the most talented people who make it, it is the ones with the most endurance. At this point in time, I'm reminded of a beautiful poem in Hindi, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती, जो सूर्यकांत त्रिपाठी निराला जी ने लिखी है. सो इसकी कुछ पंक्तियां मैं यहाँ आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहूंगी. लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. असफलता एक चुनौती है, इसे स्वीकार करो. क्या कमी रह गई देखो और सुधार करो. जब तक ना सफल हो नींद चैन को त्यागो तुम, संघर्ष का मैदान छोड़कर मत भागो तुम. कुछ किए बिना ही यूं ही जय जयकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. Actually, children, this poem is very, very close to my heart, and it is Principal Ma'am's favorite poem also. So I thought I'll share a few lines. So, my dear children, we at the school truly believe that nothing can dampen the spirits of our Goenkan educators or come in the way of your learning, our learners. And it is also that adversity is the time to learn something new. And look at this adverse situation when we are confined at home or we cannot go out to meet our friends that often. It has only increased the enthusiasm of our learners and teachers to learn something new. Say, for example, to learn or explore more technology. And, so we are inventing the different ways and means to connect with each other and to continue with our learning and growth. So, with the ambition propagating to the pinnacle of success, any hindrance on this path loses its strength if the actions are supported with positivity and perseverance. As we look ahead, a lot of interesting activities await our young scholars as we get into our research based projects and the project presentations in the second and the third week of February. And finally, our osmosis and synergy presentation, which will be done in the form of a mini annual day in the last week of February. And then, of course, getting back into the rigor, the academic rigor, which is going to be 2 weeks of revision from 7th to 16th of March. And finally, to appear for term 2 exams or tests from 21st to 28th of March. So we are very, very hopeful to have you with us in school to appear for these term 2 tests and also to undertake some aspects, some elements of the holistic assessments that we have planned. So it sounds very, very exciting, and we are really, really looking forward to have you back as our teachers have already started coming back to school. So hope is the flame that we nurture in our hearts. It has the power to change winter into spring, barrenness to creativity, and agony to joy. Hoping to soon embrace our Goenkans back in school with love and warmth, and looking forward to make our bond even stronger than ever. This too shall pass. Yes, together we shall overcome and come back to school. Yes, looking forward to seeing you back in school. Have a great good day ahead. Please take care and all the best for your presentations and for your exams. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for your inspirational words.
Patience and perseverance surmount every difficulty. Perseverance is the relentless attempt to achieve success and accomplish your desired goals. You achieve not simply by trying, but by persevering. This is characterized by three traits which are keys to locking the door to success.
Never giving up, not being limited by time constraints, and staying rooted in the confidence that success is inevitable if you continue to make a concerted effort to attain it.
So, dear Goenkans, with this message, we would like to thank you all for being here with us and listening us so patiently. You must believe in yourself because when you believe, you will achieve. Have a great day and keep persevering. Thank you.